Now let's talk about a directory rules France. See, we are talking about the French Revolution. Till now, we have seen in our last video actually that how this Robespierre he was executed, he was killed, he was guillotined, and by the just with the death of with the death of this Robespierre, this Jacobean government fell down. So the fall of the Jacobean government allowed the wealthier middle classes to seize the power. See, when we started, we saw that initially there was monarchy. Okay, so let's write it down so that you will understand. See, initially there was monarchy, and then this National Assembly they establish constitutional monarchy. Okay, and after that, this kind of less prosperous section of the society they were not satisfied with the government, so they again established republic. Okay, but with the death of the Robespierre, this republic form of government also fell down, and then this republic form of government it was actually formed from the less prosperous people. So with the death of the Robespierre, again it fell down, and the power went back to the wealthier class of the people, means rich middle class. So this power again went to the rich middle class. Okay, so with the fall of the Jacobean government, wealthier middle classes started to seize the power. Now, with that, again a new constitution was introduced, and this constitution denied the vote to the non-propertied section of the society. So again, this new constitution was introduced, and according to this new constitution, denied the vote to the non-propertied section of the society. This means now again it was like before that those who don't have any property they cannot vote. Okay, and this constitution provided two elected legislative councils, right? And these councils appointed a directory. And what is directory? Directory was an executive made up of 5 members. So what happened? The fall of Jacobean government, power again went back to the wealthier middle class. Again they made new constitution according to which non-propertied section of the society cannot vote, and these according to this constitution they elected two legislative councils, and these councils appointed a directory. And what is directory? It was an executive or group of 5 members. Now here also there is reason that why 5 members, why not just one person? See, these people have seen what happened during the Robespierre government. Okay, how cruelly he made people follow his own rules. Okay, on the name of equality. So now these people didn't want to do the same mistake again, and that's why they made this directory, which was made up of 5 members, because they wanted to safeguard against the concentration of power in one man's executive as under the Jacobians. So what happened with the Jacobians? They didn't want to make the same mistake. They didn't want to concentrate the power in one man, okay, in the hand of one man. So that's why they made this 5 members directory. Now, the problem again started that the directors often clashed with the legislative. Okay, so these legislative councils they made directors, but again these directors they used to clash with the legislative, and then this legislative councils, they dismissed these directors. And with this, there was political instability. Okay? And this political instability of the directory, it paved the way for the rise of the military dictator. And this military dictator was Napoleon Bonaparte. So, after the Republic, again this new constitution was made, and after Republic, again there was new form of government, that is military form of government. Okay? So there were so many changes in the form of government. See, all these things were happening, but still people were, keep on trying to get to the solution, right? So through all these changes in the form of government, the ideals of the freedom, the ideals of equality before the law, and the ideals of fraternity, that remained inspiring. So through all these things, with all these things going on around, these ideals remained inspiring. These ideals motivated political movement in France and even the rest of the Europe during the following century. So these kind of movement, political movement, movements were going on because people still fighting for all these ideals, right? So in our next session, we will talk about the women. How did the women have revolution? That we will see in our next video. So let's quickly see. हमने क्या देखा? Okay. So let's quickly see हमने क्या देखा. हम बात कर रहे हैं डायरेक्टरी रूल्स फ्रांस की. किस तरह से डायरेक्टरी ने फ्रांस को रूल करना शुरू किया. पहले मोनार्की थी, फिर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल मोनार्की आई, फिर रिपब्लिक आई, जो कि जैकोबियन की गवर्नमेंट थी. जब रिपब्लिक आई तब फिर से फ्रांस का गवर्नेंस लेस प्रॉस्परस सेक्शन ऑफ द सोसाइटी के पास चला गया था. पहले जब कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल मोनार्की थी तब वो रिच सेक्शन ऑफ द सोसाइटी के पास था, फिर से लेस प्रॉस्परस सेक्शन ऑफ द सोसाइटी के पास चला गया, एंड विद द फॉल ऑफ जैकोबियन गवर्नमेंट फिर से वो रिच मिडिल क्लास के पास चला गया. तो इस तरह से चलता रहा. अब ये जो न्यू कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बना वेल्दियर मिडिल क्लास के पास जाने से, एक उन्होंने न्यू कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बनाया. उसमें उन्होंने अगेन वो जो वोट का राइट था जो कि 21 इयर्स का था, वो उन्होंने फिर से वापस ले लिया और नॉन प्रॉपर्टीड सेक्शन ऑफ द सोसाइटी वोट नहीं कर सकते, ऐसा कर दिया. इनफैक्ट न्यू कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ने लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल्स बनाई. ये जो लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल्स थी उन्होंने फिर से एक डायरेक्टरी अपॉइंट की. उस डायरेक्टरी में 5 मेंबर्स थे. क्यों 5 मेंबर्स थे? क्योंकि वो नहीं चाहते थे कि जैसा जैकोबियन गवर्नमेंट में हुआ कि एक ही पर्सन के पास सारे पावर्स थे और उसने उस पावर का मिसयूज किया था, वैसे अब भी हो. इसलिए 5 मेंबर्स की एक ग्रुप बनाया जिसको उन्होंने डायरेक्टरी नाम दिया. फिर ये जो डायरेक्टरीज थी उसमें जो डायरेक्टर्स थे वो काफ़ी उनके क्लैशेस होते रहते थे लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल्स के साथ. लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल्स जो कि रूल्स और लॉज बनाती थी उनके साथ उनका मैच नहीं हो रहा था. तो इस तरह से ये पॉलिटिकल इंस्टेबिलिटी अगेन कंटिन्यूड रही और इस पॉलिटिकल इंस्टेबिलिटी की वजह से मिलिट्री डिक्टेटरशिप आ गई. उसका फायदा उठाया मिलिट्री डिक्टेटर ने जिसका नाम था नेपोलियन बोनापार्ट. उसके बारे में हम बाद में देखेंगे. ये सब कुछ चल रहा था, फिर भी पॉलिटिकल मूवमेंट्स तो कंटिन्यू था ही फ्रांस में. People were not tired of movement because they still wanted all these ideas of freedom, equality before the law, fraternity. ये सब उनको अभी भी चाहिए था और ना कि सिर्फ फ्रांस में, ये रेस्ट ऑफ द यूरोप में भी ये कंटिन्यू हुआ. सो हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम देखेंगे विमेन की सिचुएशन क्या थी.